Hey everybody, it's Ann again in my kitchen, and I wanted to pop on here tonight really quick and just talk about the air fryer because you guys, I have dinner going. I posted earlier about that thawed out chicken and what in the world was I gonna make, and you guys had great responses. And then I decided, heck, this air fry rotisserie chicken is just great. Why don't I do that again? So I wanted to show you a couple of things. So behind me, this is Pampered Chef's air fryer. It's called the Deluxe Air Fryer because it does way more than just air fries, but it's wonderful for air frying. Like my family absolutely loves tater tots in there now. Jim and Stephanie have had more tater tots in the last month than probably in the last 10 years, and I'm not kidding. Tater tot breakfast bowls, tater tots as a snack, so it's funny. But I'm using it for a lot of the other settings. I do like it to air fry things, that you want really crisp. But I also especially love the reheat setting. So if you have a leftover piece of chicken or pizza, oh my gosh, you guys, if you put it in here and put it on reheat, it tastes just like it came from the restaurant. So before I give you a sneak peek of this rotisserie chicken that's in here, I want to just tell you a couple things about it. Sitting on top, these are the microwave grips because I do use these all the time to pull out trays, and I'll actually use a lifting tool tonight to pull out the chicken when it's all done. But they have two trays and ours has a door, so we'll actually pull this open in a minute. But you would put your food on this tray, so like a grilled cheese sandwich is something that we've put in the air fryer. Who would have thought? So you can make your grilled cheese sandwich, put it on here, put it in there, air fry it, set it for 8 minutes, and at the halfway mark, it beeps at you. So it tells you to either rotate the trays or turn over like something like a sandwich. So you would turn over the grilled cheese, okay? But there's so many other things. And ours also comes with a cooking guide. So you can see all different kinds of uses, like if you're doing frozen foods, if you're doing roasting vegetables, if you're doing chicken, fish, or seafood. And then in the back of this, it gives you recipes, like how to make chicken wings, how to make homemade French fries, homemade chicken tenders. And tonight, I am making this Peruvian rotisserie chicken. So let's see if you can see it. Up here is telling me I have at least 9 minutes left. It's doing it at 400 degrees and it's on rotisserie. But when I open this, it's gonna stop the rotisserie. So you're not gonna see it move. But can you guys kind of see in there? You can see that incredible chicken. And then there's a drip pan. So all the mess is on that drip tray. And when this is done, I'll pull the chicken out and then the drip tray can just go in the sink. It's that quick to clean it up too. So super simple to do that. And then, but there's other things like roasted potatoes. They're really fun in here. But one of a really cool concept on our air fryer that I wanted to mention as people were talking about it is something like this recipe. So this has crispy cod, and it's cooked on one tray while your vegetables, the fresh asparagus, is roasted on the other tray. So that's what I'm telling you, that this is so much more than just an air fryer. And it comes with some instructions. So that's the exciting news about how fun this air fryer is and how much we love it. You can also use it to bake. There's a bake setting. So our accessories for our quick cooker or our pressure cooker Instapot, they fit in here too. So you can do cheesecake in here. You can do bundt pans in here. But the good news is it is so popular and getting incredible customer reviews. The short-term bad news is it's currently only available for hosts at 50% off as a Pampered Chef customer. So if you're really wanting one of these, you guys, we can throw together a really fun virtual party really fast. I run them on Facebook. They're really quick, and as soon as we have sales over $200, that qualifies as a party. And then you as a host can order it at half price, okay? So not even full price right now while we're short of inventory of it, but half price. So I'm sorry to tell everybody else that right now, but it'll come back in our line. So if you're just not a host, I get it. And it'll come back, but it might be a couple months yet. All of the COVID restrictions have really slowed things down as far as us able to get our supplies in our distribution center, as well as safely getting our orders out of the distribution center. So I just wanted to share those. Somebody had asked me about the quick cooker, so hopefully she sees this live, and I wanted to come back on with the air fryer because she was specifically curious about that too. And just changing really how often I ever turn my oven on, you guys. This has replaced all of that time and energy that's going through using an oven and waiting for it to preheat. So, oh, Angie, I can't wait for you to get yours too. So Angie just had a party so she could get hers at half price, so it's super exciting. But in a little while, we're going to enjoy a rotisserie chicken that I made at home in 48 minutes is what I set it for. So thanks, you guys. Have a great Monday night. Thanks for all the ideas earlier too, because a couple of those I'm going to make later in the week. See ya.